Milkman, what are you doing? My job. Okay. Started. What? Get in my life. Okay. Woohoo! He's pretty mad. Okay, I'm gonna go now. It's snowing! Yay! It's snowing! I can't see anything. Hey, you down there. You want some milk? Yeah, sure. Hey, don't pour it in my face. Sorry. You want some milk? No. Okay. Ow! Just milk? Sure. Where'd he go? Anyway. Got some milk? Who are you? Bye. Ow. Got some milk? Sure. Shh. Why'd you pour it in my face? I felt like it. Who are you? I'm Bob. Do you want some milk? No. Hey, you down there. Do you want some milk? Sure. Shh. What the hell, man? Ow. Do you want some milk? No. Oh. Seems like everyone. Blah, 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 I'm the kid. Break dance, break dance, break dance, break dance. It's snowing again! Yay! Ah! Yeah, I'm Milkman. Yeah, I'm Milkman. Let's get moving to my place. I'm gonna go to my face. Here's my place. Now let me go in the cleaner. Whoops, I fell out. Jump! Oh, I better fix that. Oh no. I'll get myself to do it. Oh God, I'll build it somewhere else. Yay! Oh, yay! I'm going for a nap. I wonder if it's still snowing outside. Right, unlikely. The next day. Go get the kid and say, Milkman, where are you? White outside. Yay! Snow pile! Oh no, it hurts! We must get Milkman out. Okie dokie. Go in it. Okay, I'll press the button. He's lying dead around here somewhere. Okay.